third year student of IIHM Delhi campus. I'm very excited for the IIHM wine tour. I'm the selected one, and we'll be starting our journey in 25th of September from Milan and we'll be ending to Paris, France. So we'll be seeing the winery, the vineyards, and we'll be also seeing, apart from wines, the Calvius caviar experience and cheese processing unit and also barrel processing unit. And I am very excited and looking forward to it. I would like to thank the CEO, Dr. Subarna Bose, and the CEO of IIHM, Mr. Abdullah Ahmed, also the head wine sommelier, Mr. Keith Edgar, who will be guiding us throughout the journey. So I'm looking forward to it. Thank you.
IIHM.
For a great hospitality career, call 98310 50,000.